everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will explain you how to prepare for the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamental Certification. So basically in this session I will explain you the study guide for the AI 900 examination, then how can schedule this examination at home. Then I will explain you how I can prepare for this certification in just 7 days. So I will explain you complete step-by-step guide. So watch this video till the end, and end of the video I will also give you the tips for this certification examination. So I hope this video is useful for you. Then we'll start our the session. This video I will go through for the introduction to Azure AI 900 certification. Then I will go through why AI 900 certification important today, so market value for this certification. Then who give this examination. Then examination detail about the structure. I will explain the structure of this certification. Then study guide for the AI 900 examination. Then after that, how to schedule examination at home. Then how to prepare for this examination. So most important I will discuss you in this part. Then how to pass AI 900 examination in just 7 days. So basically in this I will schedule my strategy for the 7-day learn AI 900 examination. And the end of the video I will give the some important reference link that useful for you. AI 900 certification. So basically this certification is an opportunity for you to demonstrate knowledge of the machine learning and AI concept and related to Microsoft Azure services. Then this certification also gain the foundation to the advance your career in the existing field. Then certification also demonstrate about your knowledge of the common AI and machine learning workload and the other services needed to run them. Then recommended for the early career AI professional and aspiring student. Then in this certification you can also learn the fundamental principle of the machine learning on the Azure, then the features of the computer vision workload on Azure, then the natural language processing, then the generative AI workload. So basically these four important concept you can learn in this certification. So moving next, why AI 900 certification important for the today and today market value for this certification. So basically the AI 900 certification can be improve the job prospect in artificial intelligence. Then the encouraging the demand for the AI professional means that obtaining this certification can be significantly improve career opportunity. Then it validates skills and knowledge in AI technology, making the job candidate the more for the employer. Then the certification is recognized in a global market. Then you can check the survey of the precedent the research the survey telling about that artificial intelligence market size 2023 to 2034 USD. Then you can check in this survey it will be mentioned that the global artificial intelligence market size around for the USD 638.23 billion in 2024, and is expected to the reach around the USD 3680.47 billion by the 2034, and expanding at the CAGR of the 19% from the 2024 to 2034. So it will be means that it will be very good opportunity for the AI professional in the future. So you can also definitely do the certification for the as well as you can plan for the certification. So moving third, so who need the AI fundamental examination? So who can eligible for this certification? So basically, this certification is intended for the both technical and non-technical background people. So who having the technical or non-technical background also can done. You can do this certification. So the technical professional, basically, if you are the technical professional, you already working in a IT industry, you can also do this certification. Then the students, so student also can eligible for this certification. Then the business professional who working on the business side, so they can also do this certification. So moving for the exam detail, so structure. So in this certification basically number of question 40 to 45 question asked. Then exam duration is a 45 minute. So your seat time will be for 65 minute. So basically the 45 minute for the your examination, and the sitting timing for this certification is a 65 minute. Then the exam cost is a 99 USD. Then the passing score, basically 700 is a passing score. You can score more than the 70%. Then the exam delivery, basically you can schedule the certification using the person view this platform. Then the language for this certification is the English, and you can choose the other language as well. The exam format should be multiple choice, multiple selection format. So this is the drop, drag and drop the exam format. Then the in this certification there is a no negative marking, so you can should attempt all the questions, so you will get the maximum score in this certification. Guide for the AI 900 examination. So basically you can check this link for the in a description box. I will also provide this link. So for the study guide, so basically there is a five the modules given. So basically each module having the some different weightage. So described cloud, artificial intelligence, and the workload and the consideration. So for this 50 to 20% weightage. So most of it the 50 to 20% question in this model. Then we can go for the fundamental principle of the machine learning on Azure. It will be 20 to 25%. Then they describe the features of the cloud vision workload in Azure. Then describe the feature of the natural language processing workload on Azure. Then describe the feature of the generative AI workload on Azure. So you can also go through this link, and you can also check the exam guide for the certification. Give the some the quick intro for the study guide, how you can check this study guide. So for that you can go for the any browser. You can type the study guide for the AI 900 examination. Then you will get the first link. This is the Microsoft Learn platform. So you can click on that link. Then you will redirect to the Learn platform. So basically this is the Microsoft platform. So you can check the study guide for the AI 900 examination. So Microsoft Azure AI fundamental certification. So if you scroll down, then you will get the different the information available. So purpose for this document, you can also check this document. Then useful link, and after that you can check the description. So basically you can check the change log. Then you can check the certification renewal policy, then certification sandbox. After that you can check the passing score for this certification. Then you can scroll down, then update on this examination. So basically Microsoft giving the day-to-day update. You can check the update. So you can check the last update April 2024. So then you can also, you can below you can check the who need the certification. So basically the technical and non-technical background also can give the certification. And after that you can check the in this the certification what you will learn. So basically basic cloud concept, the client server application. Then in the below you can check the skill for the certification. So basically that I explained you already. So we can check the skill, and accordingly you can planning for the study purpose. So after that you can check the different the available information in this side. So basically before the going for the any certification, it will be important that you can study for that certification. Moving for the next, how to schedule the exam at home. So basically in this session I will skip the schedulation part. So I have already created one video on the schedulation of the any Microsoft certification. So in this video, in this description box, you can also find this video, this link, and you can also the refer this link, and you can schedule the exam. To prepare for the AI 900 examination. So in this video I will explain you how you can prepare for this certification. So basically I categorize the preparation the study material in the two part. A, for the useful free resource available. So in that first one is the Microsoft Learn platform. So Microsoft virtual training day. So basically this is the another second option you can learn. Then the third one is the Microsoft practice assessment test. So basically this is the practice test conducted by the Microsoft. So you can also definitely go for the practice test. Then the fourth one is the YouTube video. So from the YouTube video you can also prepare for the certification. Through one by one. So first one is the Microsoft Learn. So for that we need to open the web browser and type there Microsoft AI 900 certification. Then first link will be open for the Microsoft Learn. So this is a learn platform provided by the Microsoft. So this is a self-learning platform for the preparation any certification for the Microsoft. So if you check the detail for that, so level is a beginner. Then you can check the AI engineer. This is the role. Then you can check the overview. So basically you can check the certification overview. After that the skill measure. You can go one by one for the module. So this is the one by one the detail for that. You can check the detail to prepare for the exam. So this is the course. This is basically provided by the Microsoft. You can enroll for the course, and you can complete the each learning module the topic. Then you will get the idea of the the certification and you can clear the AI concept. So if I open the first module AI, the Microsoft AI fundamental, so fundamental AI concept, so you can scroll down, you can complete the all the modules one by one, and after that there is a in a last knowledge check. So in this knowledge check, basically whatever you learn from this module, it will be give you the one the MCQ type question. You can select the appropriate question and you can go for the next. Scroll down and after that there is a below check your answer. So once you click on the check your answer, you will get the detail about the description about that question. Okay, so this way you can complete the first module and you can go for the next module. So virtual training day session, so basically it will be also another way for the learning for the AI and Android certification. So for that you need to type in a browser Microsoft virtual training day in 2024. So basically, this is a Microsoft Virtual Training Day provided by the Microsoft expert person. So in this session also you can take the detail for the this certification. So basically this virtual training day program, for that you need to register for this session. Select the fundamental certification. So you need to filter the result. So if I prepare for the Azure certification, then I will select only. So for that we have the one the link, one event is available. You can basically enroll for this the session, and after that you will receive one link. In that link you will basically the detail about the event, so you can enroll and you can learn from this Microsoft virtual training day program. So the next once you click on the register, then it will be give the registration page, but as of now this event is a full. So basically it is a limited seat available for the registration. So you can check the whatever the available event and you can register for that the session, and you can take the knowledge from that the session. So I will give you the some demo for the virtual training day. So basically how the virtual training day program conducted and how we can learn from this virtual training day program. So basically it will be same way. So whatever the modules available for the examination, it will be also the same module, and the instructor lead the for the artificial intelligence, and you can learn the basic things from the certification. The third resource is the Microsoft Practical Assessment Test. So basically, it will be also provided by the Microsoft. So practical assessment, it will be very useful when you the learn the things from the AI. Then you can validate your skill. Learn platform. So basically, previously I explained you the self-learning platform. In that same, you can find the in a scroll down the practice for the examination. So basically, after once you completed the module, then you will appear for the certification. You can click on the take practice assessment. The different the question conducted. So basically question 1 to 15 question available. You can appear for the all the question one by one, and you will get the idea about the this question pattern. If you select the this, and you can check the description for this the question. Preparation for the AI and Android examination. So for that fourth one is a YouTube video. So basically you can also refer some YouTube video available on YouTube. So basically for that first one is a Microsoft Azure. So basically Microsoft YouTube channel. So basically in this channel you can also get the detail about the AI and related examination. So here you can in search box you can type the AI hyphen 900, then you will get the different the video. So if you not clear any concept, then you can also refer this the YouTube video as well. So second one also you can refer this video. So basically this is a step by step part 1 part 2, and so like on that the take a blackboard. So basically I recommended that you for this preparation. So basically in this YouTube video you will the get the latest updated question and answer. So basically in this YouTube video the question and answer, it will be easy to know that the different question asked and different patterns, so you will aware of that things as well. So how to prepare for the AI mandated examination? So part B. So in the part B, I will categorize for the useful paid resources. So some resources available in a paid. So for that, basically first one is the Udemy practice test. So if anyone prepare for that, they definitely you can go for the Udemy practical test. So basically, I will recommend it that the first one is the Scott Defy. So this one also you can refer. Then second one is a the certify IQ. So basically for the preparation for the AI 900 examination, so IQ is also useful. So you can also refer this one. And third one is the exam dump. So for that we can refer the different exam dump available in internet. So you can also refer this one. So I will quickly give some other resources available for the Udemy. So for that you can just from the Udemy platform. So AI 900 Azure AI fundamental examination preparation. So you can also refer this Udemy platform preparation test, and you can easily identify the question pattern and for the preparation and practice yourself. Then second thing is the certi IQ. So basically premium related, you can also purchase some the question and some PDF as well. So you can prepare both Udemy and some certi IQ some platform. So the my strategy for the preparation for the AI 900 examination. So basically, I is again depend on you. So basically, if you are the IT background, then it will be easy for you for the preparation in a 7 day, or it may be the 2 day or 3 day. Is depend on you. So for the non-technical background, so basically how you can planning and how you can take the time for that certification. So basically, the my preparation strategy, I have categorized the 7 day and I am planning for the 7 day preparation. So out of that first 2 day I learn of learn. So basically I go through the each and everything. So step by step module wise I have prepared for the certification. Then I have again go for the exam syllabus. So basically in first 2 day I have learned for the Microsoft Learn and exam skill outline. So based on that I prepare for the my own notes. The third and fourth day I have learned I have take some Microsoft practical assessment test. So basically this is again the free of cost, and Microsoft provided the practice test for the AI entered examination. Then I have also refer some YouTube video so for the preparation and understanding some concept related to AI. Then fourth and sixth day I have prepared for the certi IQ. This is the practical test, and then I have prepared some exam dump. Then the 7 day, so basically before the exam day, 1 day I have revision all my notes and important concept, and I will appear for the certification. The useful resources available. So basically I have given you all the resources that I have. So I have used in my for the preparation part and some for the schedulation part. So you can also refer this important reference link that I provided in a description box. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you have any query, any question, you can mention in the comment box. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you again, and I wish you happy learning.